pretty nasty outside, but still able to do circuits. Wind is a little strong, a little gusty. Good crosswind practice.
Edenvale traffic, Golf Uniform Victor Hotel, joining left base for 13.
I'm gonna land at 20 flaps today. I don't know if that wind.
Edenvale traffic, Golf Uniform Victor Hotel, joining final for 13, full stop.
Little fast. Slower down. Bit challenging. Not bad. Pretty good. I swear I do better landings in the wind. I don't know why. Or crosswinds or whatever. Here's to be live. Rotate.
Edenvale traffic, Golf Uniform Victor Hotel, airborne 13, remaining in circuit.
Visibility is a little bit less in the 150 than 172, and I guess that's just because of the sitting higher, or I guess relative to the wing I'm sitting higher. I was pretty happy with that landing. That was only at flaps 20.
Edenvale traffic, Golf Uniform Victor Hotel, on left base for 13.
Edenvale traffic, Door, Foxtrot Oscar, turning left downwind for 13.
Oh, I lose sight of the threshold about here because there's a bunch of trees in the way. I can still see the runway. So it's turbulent south of the field, but on the north end here, it's just so calm. Like it's like glass over here, it's crazy. I guess I'm flying right head into the wind. So that helps. Okay, I can see the threshold again. Yeah, the wind definitely is variable. I can see the sock moving around. Still to the right. Looks like it's snowing or foggy up in Blue Mountain there. Okay.
Edenvale traffic, Golf Uniform Victor Hotel, turning final for 13, full stop.
A little early on that turn. Okay, let's slow us down. We want it to be 60, not 70.
better. Edenvale traffic, Golf Uniform Victor Hotel on the roll, 13.
Rotate. Hey, last one. Again, 20 flaps because the wind is a little stronger and it's crosswind. Okay, I'm a little closer to the runway this time, so I don't want to do it too tight. The threshold again. Alrighty.
Edenvale traffic, Golf Uniform Victor Hotel, turning funnel, 13, full stop.
Nice. Keep those control inputs in.
Edenvale traffic, Golf Uniform Victor Hotel, clear of 13.